Welcome to our kitchen, where the aroma of herbs and the sizzle of frying oil meet to create something truly magical. Today, we're crafting herb-infused tater tots, a twist on a classic that'll leave your taste buds dancing. We start with hearty potatoes, grated to perfection. To this, we add the stars of our show, finely chopped parsley and chives, for that fresh, earthy flavor. We're not done yet. Garlic powder and onion powder join the party, adding a savory punch that's hard to resist. A sprinkle of flour, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper, and our mixture is ready to transform. Formed into bite-sized tots, they hit the hot oil, frying until they are crispy, golden, and aromatic. It's as if the humble potato has been given a gourmet makeover. So next time you're in the mood for a snack with a little flair, remember these herb-infused tater tots. They're the perfect blend of comfort and sophistication, guaranteed to impress. Until next time, keep those kitchens sizzling and those taste buds tingling.